Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another Fashion Nova try-on haul. Stay with me. We're trying this again. If you are not subscribed already, please do. If you would like to see my other Fashion Nova try-on haul, the first one I did, it will be linked down below, but it'll also be in this corner, like somewhere over here in this vicinity. But please watch this one first, just because, like, don't leave me. So let's go ahead and get on into this video without wasting any more time. So the first outfit is this jumpsuit, and I am obsessed with it. I wore it all yesterday, and it's so cute. So I'm 5'2 and a half, 5'3, 5'2, 5'2 and a half, something like that. And I am obsessed. And I have large ladies right here. So I'm just like, I'm terrified of jumpsuits. Like, I never think that they'll fit me. This is the first one I've ever worn. And actually, no, I wore one. I tried on one at BB one time, and it was just like so far up my cooter. It did not look good. Like, worse than the white pants in the last video. So it has pockets. It's super cute. It's cinched like right at my waist, which is amazing. Y'all know that means like so much to me. And it's just the cutest. And I'm trying to go all the way back here so you can see. There we go. And it's not too long, it's not too short. I could wear heels with it if I wanted to. I did not yesterday, I just wore random sandals. And I love it. This is so cute. So outfit number 2 is this jean romper. I probably should have like steamed it before doing this video, but it's okay. I've actually been wearing this all day long, and I really like it a lot. It's very breathable. It's not too constricting, super comfortable. I'm pretty sure I already said that. But it has like these little like flaps right here. I wasn't really sure about them at first because I felt like a little jean bat, but it adds just a little something to it. I like it a lot. My favorite thing about it is, well, other than that, it has pockets, just like the last one. Obviously, I'm not gonna like put anything in there, but real cute. I mean, I have the option if I wanted to put snacks in there, so that's fine. But my favorite part is that with outfits like these, including the last one, you couldn't really tell, but I had a little safety pin like right at the seam of it, and you could not tell at all. Thank God I got it so close, but it was like made me nervous when I was wearing it without a little safety pin. So like I said, I am very blessed in this department, and this one has a little button right here, but it's not like pulling or anything. It doesn't look awkward, and with a lot of outfits like this, the ones that like crisscross and have a little like clasp or button or something, it will look awkward on me. So I'm really happy that it doesn't. And little warning, if you hear Daphne clanking around, she lives here too. So sorry if you can hear. If you don't know who Daphne is, she is my 8-year-old English bulldog, about to be 9, and she's the love of my life, other than my husband, but she drives me crazy sometimes. That's my psychotic smile, like everything's fine. Okay, next outfit. Okay. All right, next is this floral romper, and it has this little like asymmetric like flap right here. I think it's a romper that wants to be a dress, but it doesn't really know where it's going in life. But I mean, from the back it's a romper, so it's kind of like a skirt. I think it is very cute. Again, with me, the biggest thing with jumpsuits and rompers, and jumpsuits is where it's like cinched, and obviously like the length of the leg, because I guess I do have long legs for someone who is so short, but I don't know. I'm just really surprised that the rompers from Fashion Nova like fit me and look not horrible. So this is super cute. I like it a lot. So 2 things. 1, I really should have tanned before doing this video because we are pasty Polly today. And 2, I am now realizing when I ordered this order, I am a size 5 and a medium in Fashion Nova bottoms, because these shorts are like about to kill me. Who is she? She is so tiny. Yeah, these are like hurting. But then again, like with how I am eating healthier, and I really do need to start working out, so we'll get there. It'll be fine. They'll look good in a minute. But these shorts are really, really cute if they did fit me. I like the, like right here, I obviously don't like how my vagina looks. Do I have a camel toe? Almost. But this time I didn't get any bodysuits, I just got like normal shirts. So this is just a normal white shirt. It is, I mean, it's kind of thin, which sucks. I don't know why all of their shirts are so thin. Then again, it's Fashion Nova, it's super cheap. What are you gonna do? Just wear a tank top under it, which I am, but it's a Spanx tank top because your girl is about to like die. I feel like these make me look like thick, which is never a bad thing. Okay. All right, so when I first saw these jeans on Fashion Nova, I was like, these are like the most normal looking ones. God, can I get my hands in here, Jesus? And they, I mean, they give me a little booty. Hello. That's cute. This is just another shirt. It's the same as the white one, just a different color. But this kind of makes me uncomfortable. Look at how high they are. Then again, they are like high-rise ones, but like my belly button's right there. But I mean, I'm kind of, let's see. Trying to make it look like how like the girls on the site wear it. They're like, or like with their fucking microscopic waists. Okay. Or their boobs that are like sitting up here. I mean, I don't mind these jeans. Let's go all the way back here so you can actually see them. Yeah, I don't mind these at all. I thought I was gonna hate them when I first got them, but I actually like them. They're not too long, and when I saw the tag, I was pleasantly surprised because it's a brand that that is sold at Francesca's, and they're like my favorite jeans. So they're not like the white pair that I have on the table right now. It's like super embarrassing. Oh, I hated those. Anyways, yeah, these are good. Do they make my like this area look weird? I don't know. Maybe it's just this area on me. maybe I'm the problem. Maybe it's not Fashion Nova. Who is she? And the last thing I got was just this shirt that I thought was cute because like look at the back. Look how cute that is. Obviously it would look better if I like wasn't wearing a bra, but no. That's not how this works. Still doesn't look bad. Like that's pretty cute, right? That could be an IG pic, that could be a Nova Babe pic. So that's cute. I like that. And that's it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and being just a little bit ridiculous with me. And I hope you have a great day, weekend, whenever you are watching this. Please share, like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Oh, sorry, I didn't see you there. Daphne, look at your mom's butt. Do you like it? Oh, why are you turning your head like that? I mean, I don't know. Like, I'm not even poking it out either. Like, I'm standing straight up. Gotta give it to Fashion Nova. No wonder people love these jeans.
Leave me here, you were never good enough. Won't change a thing now, there was never trust. Don't you say a word, cause I've heard it all. You were just a pain when you felt it all. Oh.